Hey there, I'm Celia, a French freelance illustrator and full-time designer. Welcome in this new video. Today we are testing the Amsterdam Acrylics from Royal Talens. Usually I'm not really an acrylic fan, but this is a gift from my family, so we'll try it together. I got a set of 36 colors, which is a large range of colors. The tubes are quite small, 20 milliliters, but it will be enough to paint in my sketchbook. But definitely not enough to do large paintings if you are into large paintings. Having that many colors can be interesting if you are into realistic paintings. Personally, I never use green, brown, gray and black colors, and I super rarely use red and orange. So it's a lot of color that I won't need. It's why I usually prefer to buy individual tubes instead of sets, because like that I can buy exactly the colors that I like. But it's cool because I will have the opportunity today to try out some colors that I never used. To test all the colors, I'm creating a color chart at the end of my sketchbook with the swatch of all colors. The colors are really beautiful, there is a lot of different hues, and the saturations look great. It means that the tubes contain the most saturated version of the color, and once diluted with white, I will be able to create a lot of different intensities. There is 3 slightly different white tubes, which is better than other sets because there is never enough white in the paint sets. There is still too many hues of brown, green and grey for me. I will literally never use them. Something great that Royal Talens do and that other brands don't, like Arteza for example, is that you can find these acrylic colors per unit. So if you try the set and run out some colors, you will be able to find the specific hues that you need and buy the specific hues that you need, so you won't have to rebuy the whole set each time. Like I said before, I'm not really into acrylics because they have a shiny effect that I don't like, and I also find them really difficult to work with, and they are also really difficult to clean. The only reason why I could need them is to paint my handmade clay pins or to do some murals, because they are not reacting to the water once dry. The Amsterdam Acrylics have beautiful colors, but I'm a bit confused about the opacity. There are some colors really opaque and others almost translucid. And it's not practical at all because when I'm using several colors in one painting, I don't want to think about the fact that the dark pink will be less opaque than the yellow. When I'm working with paint, I'm expecting them to be consistent, and it's not what I have here. So usually when I'm painting, I am trying to use the lightest color first and to go for the darker tones. It allows me to correct the mistakes that I'm doing along the way. So to summarize, I don't like acrylics and this set isn't making me changing my mind. The colors look beautiful, but I'm disappointed by the lack of consistency in the opacities. So I won't use them again in my sketchbook, but I might use them for handmade clay pins or murals. And that's it for today. I hope this test was interesting for you. Thank you so much for watching, and I'll see you next week. Bye!